Welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to easily change language on BingX application using your smartphone. If you want to use the BingX app in your preferred language, then you can easily do so within the application. Launch open BingX app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on the logo. And once you do that, you'll end up in this expanded menu. Click on Preferences from the menu that appears on the screen. On the next page, tap on Language. Now select a different language option that you want to change to from the menu, and you'll be able to see that the language option has immediately changed and it has reflected in your account as well. You can always go back and repeat this step in order to change your language on BingX. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.